Hello, Drayton here again today. If you're a gun person, you're probably loving this view. So, we're going to be reviewing this bad boy today. This here may look like an ordinary 12 gauge double barrel shotgun. It is a double barrel shotgun, except this one is a 10 gauge. So, we're going to eviscerate some water bottles today, and we're going to have some fun. Alright, just to start off, we're going to start with a 45 Colt, just to give a comparison to the damage. Alright, now some steel shot, bird shot, 10 gauge. Here we go. Alright, now for the part that everybody else is going to love except for me and my shoulder. A humongous slug into a large jug of purple water. Here we go. Alright, so I kind of messed that one up, hit a little low. I'm going to sneak up pretty close to it, hit it again, give y'all a little bit more of a show. Alright, here we go. I sure hope you enjoyed that. Like I say, I don't regret this decision at all, purchasing this gun. I'm sure I'll probably be feeling a little different tomorrow. It did have a little bit of recoil. Yeah. If you like this content, maybe consider liking and subscribing. I love posting gun videos. I love to shoot all the time. So, hey, if you enjoy it, might as well see some more, right?